Next guys, open any browsers to type Google search box Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3i driver download. Go to this official website pcsupport.lenovo.com. Okay, just right click to new tab and go to this tab. You can see your laptop. If you know about your laptop serial number, so you can enter after that search, so you can show here your laptop. Okay, then this is the first method, so you can detect automatically. You just click to scan now. After that, start your software, your driver, required driver to install it. Second, manual means separately install guys. So if you are facing some time, so you can install the drivers separately. Then guys, Bluetooth, you can see this is Bluetooth driver, so click to download. Just click to open this setup and then click to yes, then okay, I accept, next, install, next. Now this is installing. So Bluetooth driver is installed, and then click to OK and then finish it. Then restart your system.